North America is on the verge of a major transformation. Exciting new projects are underway. These projects will reshape how we live, work and connect with each other. From modernizing airports to building faster trains, these projects are investments in a brighter future. These changes are not just about shiny new buildings, they are about creating jobs and boosting the economy. They're about building a more sustainable future with clean energy and smart cities. These projects are a testament to North America's spirit of innovation and progress. As we embrace these changes, we can look forward to a more efficient, connected and sustainable North America. Let's explore some of these game-changing projects. They promise to redefine the continent's landscape. Traveling and trading are about to get a whole lot easier in North America. Major airports like JFK International are getting a complete makeover. Imagine bigger terminals, faster security checks, and a smoother travel experience overall. But it's not just about air travel. The Gateway program is a massive infrastructure project. It's focused on improving rail lines between Boston and Washington, D.C. This means faster and more frequent train services, easing congestion and boosting trade. And speaking of speed, get ready for high-speed rail. Imagine zipping between cities in a fraction of the time it takes now. These high-speed rail projects will revolutionize travel, making it easier for people to work, live and visit loved ones across long distances. North America is going green. Across the continent, there's a big push for clean energy. Solar farms, wind farms, and hydroelectric plants are being built to power our homes and businesses with renewable energy. These projects aren't just good for the environment, they're also creating jobs and reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Imagine a future where most of our energy comes from clean, sustainable sources. This shift towards renewable energy is a sign of North America's commitment to a more sustainable future. It's a future where we can power our lives without harming the planet. Section 4. The Digital Revolution. Hold on tight because the digital world is about to get a whole lot faster and smarter. 5G networks are being rolled out across North America. Get ready for lightning-fast download speeds, seamless streaming, and a whole new world of possibilities for businesses and consumers. But it's not just about speed. Advancements in artificial intelligence are also transforming various sectors. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we live and work. And then there's quantum computing, a mind-boggling technology that can solve complex problems much faster than traditional computers. This breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine, materials, science, and artificial intelligence. Section 5. Shaping our cities. Our cities are getting a makeover too. Across North America, developers are creating vibrant, mixed-use communities where people can live, work and play all in one place. Picture parks, shops, restaurants and apartments all within walking distance. These new developments are designed to be more sustainable and pedestrian-friendly, with an emphasis on green spaces and alternative modes of transportation. Many cities are also embracing smart city initiatives, using technology to improve everything from traffic flow to waste management. And let's not forget about affordable housing. Many projects are addressing the need for more affordable housing options in cities, ensuring everyone has a place to call home. Section 6. A brighter, more connected future. The projects we've explored are more than just construction projects. They are building blocks for a brighter, more connected future. As these projects come to fruition, North America will be more connected than ever before, with faster transportation, seamless communication, and a more sustainable approach to development. These projects are not without their challenges, of course. The COVID-19 pandemic has impacted timelines and budgets. However, it has also highlighted the importance of resilient infrastructure, technological innovation, and sustainable living. As North America embraces these transformative projects, the continent is poised to become a global leader in innovation, sustainability, and economic growth. The future is bright, and it's being built today.